Busy little hands have lots to do. Busy little hands are molding squishy clay, rolling, pinching, shaping all the day. Make a worm or make a star, we can sculpt from near or far. Busy little hands love time to play. Busy little hands are fixing puzzle fun, looking for the shapes that match each one. Flip it, fit it, try again, click it in, shout amen. Busy little hands get the job done. Busy little hands are threading the beads, big and small, shells that sparkle, smooth and tall. One by one they slide along, like a necklace in a song, with Miss Meninder guiding near. Our little crafts bring joy and cheer. Choosing colors red and blue, maybe green or purple too. Make a pattern nice and neat, every string a special treat. With beads and shells we love to play, making magic every